Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a decision tree diagram in Confluence with Draw.io. This is a great way to visualize processes and decision-making flows right inside your Confluence workspace, making it easier for your team to understand complex workflows at a glance. To get started, open your browser and head over to draw.io.com. Once you're on the home page, look for the Start button and click it. This will direct you to another tab where you can begin creating and editing your diagram. The interface is clean and intuitive, designed specifically for building all kinds of diagrams, including decision trees. Now, let's begin building your decision tree by adding a circle shape to mark the starting point. Look for the circle shape in the shape library on the left side of your screen, then drag it onto your canvas. Once it's placed, double-click on the circle to add text and name it Start. This clearly indicates where your decision tree begins. Next, we need to add a diamond shape to represent a decision point. Drag a diamond shape from the library onto your canvas and position it below the circle. Double-click on the diamond and input text inside it, something like "Is it raining?" This diamond will serve as the branching point where decisions are made. Now, let's add two rectangle shapes to show the outcomes of this decision. Drag two rectangles onto your canvas and place them beneath the diamond. On one rectangle, input the text "Take umbrella," and on the other rectangle, type "Go outside." These rectangles represent the actions that follow based on the decision made at the diamond. With all your shapes in place, it's time to connect them. Click on the circle shape and you'll notice connection points appear around its edges. Drag a connector from the circle to the diamond shape to link them together. Then, connect the diamond shape to both rectangles by dragging connectors from the diamond to each rectangle. This creates the flow of your decision tree. To make the diagram clearer, let's add labels to the connectors. Click on the connector between the diamond and the Take umbrella rectangle. Then add the text "Yes." Similarly, click on the connector between the diamond and the Go outside rectangle and input "No." These labels help viewers understand which path to follow based on the decision. Now, let's add some color to make your diagram more visually appealing and easier to read. Click on the circle shape and change its color to gray. Then select the diamond shape and make it yellow to highlight it as the decision point. For the rectangles, apply a light blue color to keep them distinct yet cohesive. You can also color the connectors for added clarity. Click on the Yes connector and make it green. Then click on the No connector and change it to red. This color coding instantly communicates which path is affirmative and which is negative. And that's it. You've successfully created a decision tree diagram in Draw.io that you can now embed directly into your Confluence pages. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.